In competitive examination, quantitative aptitude is one of the vital subject. To attend this section of competitive exam, you have to be acquainted with various tricks which can help you for attaining large number of maximum number of questions with limited time. So with a view to that, initially you all should be acquainted with math shortcuts, which is very helpful for speed calculations. For this, we will be acquainted with some basic mathematics tricks. So math shortcut tricks have vital role in scoring high marks in quantitative aptitude. Before going in detail, the students are required to be aware of and ensure of some facts on their behalf. They should have basic knowledge on different types of numbers, such as which are whole numbers, which type of numbers are integers, rational numbers, real numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, and prime numbers, etc. Side by side, the students should be acquainted with the basic traditional knowledge procedures on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, etc. Keeping all these things in memory, the students should basically keep some essential things in memory. Number one is multiplication table up to 30, square of numbers up to 50, cubes of numbers up to 15, square root of numbers up to 10, cube root up to numbers 10, all basic formulae. Also, the students will be acquainted with all basic formulae of algebra as well as arithmetic. Algebraic formulas like a plus b whole, a plus whole square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, a minus a square minus b square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a q plus bq, and a q minus bq. Mathematical operation basically involves four types of processes, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We assume that you all have basic knowledge or traditional knowledge regarding process of carrying out addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But applying this traditional procedure or process for evaluating answers in your question paper, it will be very tedious task and time consuming task, and it will not help you at all to attain maximum marks in the competitive examinations. So for that, we have to separately we have to learn some tricks of some important mathematical operations such as addition, multiplication, and division. In this addition shortcuts, you have to remember the addition of similar digits, addition of similar digit with decimal numbers, sum of numbers without decimal in first number, sum of numbers without decimal in second number, addition of common difference in a series of numbers, sum of all consecutive numbers starting from 1, addition of consecutive numbers, and sum of all odd numbers starting from 1, addition combination of decimal and whole number. Let us take some examples to explain the types of short tricks we have mentioned beforehand. Here the problem is the numbers, adding up numbers in which a particular digit gradually repeated. 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus 7777. Gradually the number of digits is increasing. For solution of this type of problems, you have be acquainted with here. Like we can take common from the total expression. We can take common 7. Taking 7 as common, remaining 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. That is equal to 7, and the sum of consecutive numbers is, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And by multiplying 7, we can get 864192. This is the answer. So this is, if we, in your traditional method, if we will add these numbers and get the answer, it's too much time consuming. So for that, you will be acquainted with, if the question is like this, suppose in place of 7, if the digit is 5 is there, 5555 plus 55 plus 555. Similarly, so for any number of sum of any number of digits, sequence is like this, we can work out it. We can solve this problem. Similarly, another type, decimal type, where after decimal point, the number, the digit repeated successively. In that case also, we can solve like this. We can take 5 common and rest is 0.1, 0.111, 0.1111, and this comes 5 into, and the sum of this 0.11, 0.111, like 0 point, what is number of terms? Number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be the 0.4321. 4321. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, say, starting from 4 and ending at 1 is 0.4321, 5 into, and the answer is 2.1605. Similarly, we can solve another type of question. Suppose the question is like 270 plus 89. You can write 270, 89. You can write 89 as 89 plus 1 minus 1. So this becomes 270 plus 90 minus 1, that is 359. Another type of question like this, 219 plus 20. Yeah, 19, you can add here 1 and subtract 1. 219 plus 1, that is 220. 220 plus 20, 240. 240 minus 1, 239. 230. Another type of problem is 17, 27, 37, 47, 57. The common difference is same. Common difference is same, that is 10. Here you can write the first number and the last number. First number and last number. A number of digits here, a number of uh, numbers which are added, that is your 17, 27, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Total number of numbers added 5. And you can take divide the 5 by 2, multiply with the sum of first number to last number. So the answer will be 185. Here another type of explanation of addition is 1 plus 2 plus 3 4 5 plus 6 sequentially successive numbers, addition of successive numbers. Here to work out this addition of successive numbers, we can take the last number plus number next to that divided by 2. So this becomes 78. Becomes 78. If the number is not starting from 1 to certain number, if starting from some other number, that is 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 23 plus 29, 23 plus 29. First number, last number. A number of numbers added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in that case, we add the first number, last number, and total numbers added, total number of numbers added 7 divided by 2. Multiplying this, we can get 182. The answer of this question. Another type of sum is sum of odd numbers starting from 1 to 60. If the question is given sum of all odd numbers. What is odd number? Odd number which is not divisible by 1. Sorry, odd number which is not divisible by 2. It's called odd number. So here 60, total number 60 divided by 2 becomes 30. We take the square of this. This comes out 900. So this is the sum of odd numbers from 1 up to a certain number. If the question is given like this, we can work out like this. And here another number which is that is whole number plus decimal number, a combination of the two. Suppose the sequence is like this: 7.7, 7.77, 7.777, 7.47, like this. In this case, we can multiply. So 7 is the a component of whole number in each decimal fraction. So we can 7 into 6 plus 7 into 7 into, if you take 7 common, this becomes 0 0.1, 0.11, like this. This is the method previously we have already worked out. 7 into 0.654321, that is 42, plus 4.580247, that is called 46.580247. Then this is all about shortcut tricks on addition. In the next class, we'll learn regarding the multiplication shortcuts. Okay, bye.